Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the USB on the console so the Xbox can read and write game data reliably. Plug a clean USB stick or external drive into a front port. The system will detect it. Then go to System Settings, Storage, select the USB device and choose Configure Now. This formats to Xbox-compatible layout and reserves the space for games and profiles. Once done, the drive behaves like internal storage. Make sure any wanted files are backed up before formatting. Next, you move installed games to the USB so they run from that device. From System Settings, Open Storage, select the internal hard drive and then Games and Apps. Highlight the title you want, choose Move or Copy, and then select the configured USB device as the destination. This preserves saved data and licenses while freeing internal space. Once the transfer starts, wait until it finishes. Interrupted moves can corrupt installs, so don't remove the drive mid-transfer. And finally, verify the game runs from the USB and that saves and achievements remain intact. Launch the title from My Games. If the system reports license or ownership errors, sign into your account or run the license transfer via settings while connected to Xbox Live. If the move failed or the game won't run, reformat the drive and repeat the configure and move steps, checking for slow USB speed or insufficient free space. One tip: always test after a transfer to catch issues early.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.